Hi, I'm Brandy, the Quilter on Fire, and it's not very often that I boast about my most popular class, but we're bringing it to Sisters, and it's called Color Waves. This is a one-day class where you will create an art piece start to finish in one day. You'll take your most favorite batiks and scraps and bits that you treasure, and you'll bring them to class and we'll make them into a beautiful art piece. Beyond the beautiful fabrics you'll be pulling from your stash to use in this project, you will be able to pull out all kinds of embellishments, including ribbons and yarns and threads and things that you've been wanting to use forever. You can even incorporate jute and lace. I'll just show you a real close-up so you can see some of the beautiful composition that we have on this piece. Another thing you'll do is you'll be using up all these wonderful threads that you love. You can bring metallics and wools and all kinds of threads. So let's show you a few more things. This is wool roving and sort of a stretchy kind of lace. There's some felt in here. Here's another one where I've taken pieced elements all the way across and added yarn, those bulky, beautiful ends that you just don't want to throw away. We've done all kinds of couching and stitching on here. It's just gorgeous waves of color. Let's take a look at another one. This one has some broderie purse on it. So I've taken an element from a piece of fabric that I love and just done beautiful waves of color. Now let me show you some other options. You can do this on canvas or wood cradle. You can even find little round pieces at your local art store that you could put little art pieces on, and you could do 4 of them together on a wall. You can even do something like a diptych or a triptych if you find a few the same size that you love. So join me for a day of creative play at Sisters this year. Go to stitchandpost.com to sign up for Color Waves today. It's a class you'll be sure to love.